Hello, this is for my MMIS 6295 AWS assignment. All right, first step is launch a VM, and we're going to go to Ubuntu server, select review and launch. We're going to launch, create a new key pair. We're going to name it go time. Go ahead and grab this and stick it on my desktop. Just put it right there. There we go. Okay, launch. All right. And while that's going, we're going to go load desktop, all files, gotime.pem. Yes, we are. Give it a new super secure password. Save private key. Name it go time as well. Save. All right. In the meantime, AWS. Here we go. View instances. Hopefully it's up by now. All right, and it is running. Get our public IP address and pull it off to the side. We're going to put that there. Auth, browse. We're going to find our PPK file, go time, and trust. We're going to log in here as Ubuntu. Super secret password. All right, and the first step we're going to do is upgrade. So we're going to do sudo apt get update. And I'll pause this while it's going. All right, and we're back. It has updated, so now we're going to do the get upgrade. Let it go, hit Y, and pause again. All right, we're upgraded. So I'm going to clear the screen. I'm going to check my directory. All right, home Ubuntu. All right, so now we're going to add our user. Add user Luke. And he's going to use the force with his super secure password. Done. Yes. All right. And then we're going to sudo add the group rebels, the good guys. All right. We're going to change to the home directory. And we're going to make the sudo make a directory here called Star Wars. All right. And now we're going to change Luke's home directory to be said Star Wars directory. Sudo vim password. All right, now we're going to go find Luke. Where are you at? Star Wars. And if I could spell. All right, Star Wars and hit escape, :WQ. All right, and we're going to change back to the home directory. And just to make sure, Luke, Star Wars. All right, we're doing good. Now I'm going to start making the Vader directory, or the Vader folder. And I'm going to change the permissions to the Vader folder. All right. And now I'm going to create the Chewbacca, sudo touch, the Chewbacca file. All right. And then I'm going to also change the permissions for the Chewbacca file. I think it's 544 Chewbacca. All right, so change permissions for it. Now I'm going to give Luke permissions over both. Chown Luke, do Chewbacca first. And to save some time, do Vader next. So Luke owns both directories, or the file and the directory. Now we're going to change the group. Sudo change group, I think that's right, rebels, and we're going to go Chewbacca, and we're going to give the rebels Vader too, something they couldn't do in 9 movies. All right, now we're going to move the directories to Star Wars directory, so make it look all nice and pretty. All right, sudo move the Chewbacca directory, Chewbacca, to Star Wars, or Chewbacca file to the Star Wars directory. All right, now we're going to log into our user Luke and pray everything went well. All right, so we're going to change directory, and to end the video, we're going to do exactly like the screenshot in the video, or in the PDF. And that should have us all set. Thank you.